브람스 좋아하세요?
Hello, my name is Jay and welcome to Jay's Korean. This is part 3 of learning some useful phrases from the Korean drama Do You Like Brahms? This scene is probably the most significant scene of this drama because they're literally talking about Brahms and she's finally asking the ultimate question, do you like Brahms? But also keep in mind that this is from the first episode, so watching this isn't really going to spoil anything for you. So let's get right into it.
송아 씨는 어떤 곡들로 짜셨어요?
별거 아니었어요.
얘기해 주시면 안 돼요?
브람스하고 슈만하고 클라라요.
테마가 이룰 수 없는 사랑이었나 봐요.
아니요. 세 사람의 우정이요. 브람스 좋아하세요?
아니요. 안 좋아합니다, 브람스.
Here she's talking about how she created the program for classical music concerts in the past, and he's asking her which composers she planned out the concerts around. So he said, 송아 씨는 어떤 곡들로 짜셨어요?
송아 씨는 어떤 곡들로 짜셨어요? 송아 씨는 어떤 곡들로 짜셨어요?
송아 씨. 송아 is her name, and if you've been watching K-dramas for a while now, you already know that adding a 씨 after a name is a formal way to address someone. 송아 씨. 어떤 곡들로 means with which songs, because 곡 means a song. But in this case, because it's classical music, it's better to say with which pieces. 어떤 곡들로 짜셨어요 means with which pieces did you plan your concert? Which pieces did you use to create the program?
별거 아니었어요. 별거 아니었어요.
별거 아니었어요. 별거 아니다 means it's nothing. It's not important. It wasn't a big deal. Here she's kind of implying that what she did wasn't really big enough. It's nothing that he would be interested in.
얘기해 주시면 안 돼요? 얘기해 주시면 안 돼요?
얘기해 주시면 안 돼요? 얘기하다 means to tell, to say. So 얘기해 주세요 means please tell me. Something plus 주시면 안 돼요 means can you please? Could you please do something for me? For example, you could say 이거 사주시면 안 돼요? Which means please buy this for me. 사다 means to purchase, to buy. 이거 사주시면 안 돼요? Can you please buy this for me? 얘기해 주시면 안 돼요 means could you please tell me?
브람스하고 슈만하고 클라라요.
So she answers 브람스하고 슈만하고 클라라요. Something plus 하고 means something and. 브람스하고 슈만하고. Here she's adding the 하고 to add the word and. For instance, if someone asked you, what did you eat for breakfast? 아침 뭐 먹었어요? You can say, oh, I ate an apple, I ate waffles, and I ate cereal. 사과하고 와플하고 시리얼 먹었어요.
테마가 이룰 수 없는 사랑이었나 봐요.
테마가 이룰 수 없는 사랑이었나 봐요. 테마. 테마 means the theme. 이룰 수 없다. This means unable to be achieved, unable to come true. 이룰 수 없는 꿈, for instance. 이룰 수 없는 꿈 means a dream that can't come true, a dream that won't come true. 이룰 수 없는 사랑 is a common expression used for stories. It means love that can't come true. Something plus 이었나 봐요 means I guess it was something, or oh, was it something? So if he said 테마가 이룰 수 없는 사랑이었나 봐요, he's saying was the theme love that's unable to come true?
아니요. 세 사람의 우정이요.
아니요, 세 사람의 우정이요. No, it wasn't. The theme was the friendship of the three people. 세 사람의 우정이. 세 means three. So for instance, cake 세 조각, 3 slices of cake. 커피 세 잔 means 3 cups of coffee. You know how we say 하나, 둘, 셋? This is where it comes from. 세 사람. 우정 is friendship. So here, from hearing the 3 names, he immediately thought of the unrequited love of Brahms, but she, on the other hand, thought of the friendship of the 3. And I'm assuming this is saying a lot about how the drama is going to take course.
브람스 좋아하세요? 브람스 좋아하세요?
브람스 좋아하세요? She said, do you like Brahms? That's the title of the drama here. Do you like Brahms? 뭐뭐 좋아하세요? Is a very good phrase to know. For instance, if you're going on a date with someone, you can ask him or her, 파스타 좋아하세요? Do you like pasta? Or 영화 좋아하세요? Do you like watching movies or do you enjoy watching movies? Let's hear what his answer is.
아니요. 안 좋아합니다, 브람스.
아니요, 안 좋아합니다, 브람스. Here he added the Brahms at the end, but obviously it's the same thing as saying 아니요, 브람스 안 좋아합니다. He said 아니요, no. 안 좋아합니다 means I don't like something or I'm not a fan. He's saying no, I'm not a fan of Brahms. And obviously here it's a bit vague as to whether he's referring to Brahms' music, him as a person, or his love story, but I'm assuming the ambiguity is also intended. So, do you like Brahms? No, I do not. 브람스 좋아하세요? 아니요, 안 좋아합니다. And moving back to the example that I just gave, if you said 파스타 좋아하세요? And the other person said 아니요, 파스타 안 좋아합니다. Then I'm assuming that you guys won't be able to go get pasta together.
송아 씨는 어떤 곡들로 짜셨어요?
별거 아니었어요.
얘기해 주시면 안 돼요?
브람스하고 슈만하고 클라라요.
테마가 이룰 수 없는 사랑이었나 봐요.
아니요. 세 사람의 우정이요. 브람스 좋아하세요?
아니요. 안 좋아합니다, 브람스.
And I think I'm gonna wrap it up right here. And if you haven't noticed, this is a series, so make sure you go check out the previous parts of Learning Korean with Do You Like Brahms if you haven't already. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a beautiful day. Bye bye!